Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video here. So today I am going you to solve the question number 16 from chapter 2 of textbook spreadsheet modeling and decision analysis. So question number 16, the Electrotech Corporation manufactures two industrial sized electrical devices, generators and alternators. Both of these products require wiring and testing during the assembly process. So in this question, they have divided this question into three parts. First one is the LP formulation model of this problem, and then the sketch of the feasible reason, then determine the optimal solution. And in this paragraph, they have provided all the constraints over here, and then they have to maximize the profit. So I have solved all the three parts of this question using Excel graphs, and let me showcase you the Excel file. So this one is the part A of problem formulation. X1 and X2 are the variables that I have defined here. And then this one is our part B and C, where this one is the feasible reason that I covered here. And this one is our optimal solution. So I used Excel formulas and calculations to derive this optimal solution and the graph. So you can just reach me out on my WhatsApp and email address for this Excel file, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Take care. Bye.